Hey, welcome back again to my new video, guys. This is Sampath. You are watching Sampath SamFX YouTube channel, and this Redmi Note 5 Pro. I'm in the Y-Red, and this is the ABX ROG version. Let me show you. Then the settings, as you can see, this is the ABX ROG edition 12.5.3 MIUI version based on, let me go all specs, based on Android 10 only, but the performance is really good in this ROM, the custom ROM of this Redmi Note 5 Pro. I'm in the Y-Red, and if you're first time to this channel, hit down below the subscribe button and also allow the bell notification to get similar kind of videos first to you. And if you really like the video, give it a like, and let's get into the video. And this is the home screen and the app drawer you get. You will be getting this customized thing as in the MIUI 12.5 style only, and these are the apps, and some of the bloatware were installed, pre-installed after installing this ROM, and that's it. And while installing this ROM, while flashing this ROM, you will get to enter into this ROM by using Mi account. Then only you can enter into this ROM, and you get this MIUI dialer here and MIUI messaging app, as you can see, and security app, the latest one. All things are working here. As you can see, the game turbo is also given. In the settings, you can choose like this. These things are working fine in this ROM. And coming to quick settings panel, you get all this kind of things, the MIUI 12.5 style, and you can even get the data usage of this SIM network, and even you can connect it to on this, the quick settings and the control panel. You get all this kind of settings. If you want, you can check out. Everything is working fine. Let me show you the flashlight. As you can see, everything is working fine in this ROM, no problem. The performance on this ROM is really good. Let me show you once. The fingerprint scanner, as you can see, it's really fast. Just tap, unlock, just tap, unlock. Not just that, even the face unlock is also really fast. Let me show you. As you can see, it's quick, really quick. As you've seen, the face unlock and even the fingerprint scanner and even the scrolling speeds, everything is really fast. And coming to settings panel, you get this kind of new settings. As you can see, it's really fast. The scrolling speeds, everything is fast. Considering this smartphone runs on Snapdragon 632 chipset, it's really fast. And coming to settings, Wi-Fi settings, everything is there, and Bluetooth settings you can pair, no problem. I'm using this Bluetooth speakers and even the Bluetooth earphones, no problem while using those things, and even the wired earphones and even the speaker quality and earpiece quality during calls are really good. And you can definitely try it out as a daily driver, and the gaming experience is really good. And this is the wallpaper and personalization settings. You get plenty of wallpapers and icons, default fonts. You can change the fonts. Coming to wallpapers, there even the ringtone styles. Let me show you. As you can see, the new type of this is also given. When you go to more, you get this kind of settings, and notification settings are also given. As you can see, you can choose the different types of, for example, rainforest, savanna, Australia, the Arctic, nature mix, birds and fireflies, droplets, plenty of available in this ROM. Into the themes also, you get plenty of themes. Get all kind of themes here, the global wallpapers and global themes. All the themes are applicable on this ROM. And coming to like the Geekbench score on this ROM, after several ROMs testing, this one of the best I got. As you can see, the single score for this ROM is 324 and the multi score is 1314. This is really good based on this kernel. One thing I noticed, like a bug or degrade here, is the battery life. For this kind of performance, the battery life is okay, but a little bit draining compared to other ROMs. It's not like completely draining, but due to that high performance, it's a little bit more drainage compared to other ROMs. What I noticed in last couple of hours using this ROM on this Redmi Note 5 Pro, and everything is fine. Coming to lock screen settings, you get all these settings: raise to wake up, double tap to wake or turn on, screen tap, fingerprint sensor to wake, and wake lock screen for notifications, and even the power menu, axis glance for me, lock screen clock format, launch camera, pocket mode, everything is given. And coming to sound and vibration, you get all these settings. As you can see, sound effects, headphones, buttons, all these things are given. You can customize it. Even the equalizer and preset type you can change here. And coming to display settings, you get this dark theme. As you can see, it's looking fantastic here, and this colorful settings panel, and this how the light mode and dark mode. And coming to color scheme, you get all this auto, saturated and standard, and reading mode also you can enable, or even you can schedule it out. And font settings, everything is given here. This how the display settings. And coming to notification and control settings, you can choose here the floating notifications, badges, lock screen and app notifications, and notification shade, and even the control center style. If you want older type, you can enable it out. And not just that, you can even get quick settings, layout, default, or for example, if you change here, you can change here default or compact type. And even the switch control center side you can enable out. If you want to on, you can enable from left side here. And collapse after touch, that option is also given in this ROM. Even smart home features, if you install Mi Home application, you get that kind of options. And notification control center, I explained. Home screen settings, you get default launcher as MIUI launcher, and system navigations, you can choose it out here. Home screen with app drawer, or if you want, you can choose without app drawer also. Even you can choose manage app categories and background scroll bar, and these things are given. Double tap to lock screen and fill cells of uninstalled apps, these things are given. Global icon animations, you can enable or disable from here. And blur app previews are also given. You can choose the particular app here, and you can blur it out like this. Show memory status here, as you can see, out of 4 GB you get. And even this recent apps panel looks like this. And coming to settings and -1 screen, you can even choose Google Discover, or if you want, you can choose App Vault. If you don't want both of them, then you can choose none. Those things are given here. And passwords and security, I already shown these settings. And privacy protection, you get like this. And the battery settings, as I said, the battery drainage is little bit more compared to other ROMs, but nothing like any degrade or anything. But the performance what you're getting in this ROM is really good. You can definitely try it out, this ROM. If you're newer type of ROMs, then Abi X ROG edition is really good ROM. Coming to safety net status, by default it get passed. Let me show you. As you can see, it's get passed, no need to worry in this ROM. If you want, you can even root in this ROM also for this. And this is the ROG X edition for this Redmi Note 5 Pro. Do comment down below how is the video, and if you are using this ROM, do comment down your bugs, such that I will be understand, or some of the people who might understand those bugs, and what is the feature you like most in this ROM. And this Sampath, you are watching Sampath channel. If you like the video, give it a like also. And let me go to settings once again if I had any missed points. Coming to special features, you get game mode, I already showed. Game turbo, even you will get the video toolbox, as you can see. Floating window and second space, you can choose 2 different accounts in one single app. I mean the 2 different apps as 2 single mode. And light mode, those things are also given. This is how the ROM of this BX ROG edition MIUI 12.5.3 based ROM, and it's working fine really. The performance is really good in this ROM. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.